What is up, guys? It's Chris here, back again with another video. First, before I get into everything, let me just once again say thank you for helping me to reach 100,000 subscribers. I really appreciate it. But anyways, let's get into the juicy stuff. So my hype beast, if you're watching this, you're gonna like this custom. I'm doing a hype beast Gucci custom. You guys have been requesting it, and I'm gonna give you what you want. So let's get started. Okay, you guys already know what to expect. Cotton balls, acetone. Let's get started. Okay, so now I'm going to use some Angelus Red Paint and some Createx Colors Adhesion Promoter. If you want to grab any of the items I'm using in this video, make sure to check out the description box down below. I'll leave all the links down there. But anyways, I'm just going to mix these two together, drop it in my airbrush, and get to painting. Okay guys, so now it is time for the next color. If you want to know exactly how I mixed up this custom Don C beach color, check out my Jordan 6 Don C custom video I did a few years back. I'll leave a link to that somewhere on the screen where I explain exactly how to make this color. But without further ado, let's keep going. Okay guys, so now for the most difficult part of this custom, applying the Gucci stencil. Now I've never actually applied stencils before, but I want to bring more creative stuff to this channel, and stencils are going to be necessary for that. But one thing I quickly learned when starting this process is that applying a Gucci stencil takes forever. Okay guys, so we are all done here. Let me know exactly what you think of these shoes. down below in the comment section. I will be reading all of those. So my thoughts on the shoes, I think they came out great. It was my first time using a stencil, and the process was very tedious. I know it didn't look like that to you guys because I sped it up by like 2,000%. But the shoes came out good. If you're watching this and you're not subscribed, join the family, hit that subscribe button down below. But anyways, I'm not gonna hold you for too long. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.